Finally, we have the whale shark, the largest fish in the ocean. These gentle giants can grow up to 40 feet in length and weigh around 20 tons. Despite their massive size, whale sharks are filter feeders, gliding gracefully through warm tropical waters, feeding on plankton and small fish. Swimming alongside a whale shark is a breathtaking experience for divers, who often describe a sense of awe at being so close to such a colossal, yet gentle creature. They are a reminder of the mysteries and wonders that the ocean still holds.